Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'm gonna go upstairs and show you guys my puppies, and then I'll come back downstairs and show my brother's dog. So this one, here, come here, Mitty. This one is named Mr. Mittens. Say hello, Mr. Mittens. Say hello. He's so cute, so fat too. Oh look, he's so jealous. This is Chance. He has a back problem, so if you see him in videos, yeah, right there, you got problems. So yeah, it's a YouTube video. It's my sister over there watching TV.
No, it's not.
Where's Chance? Come here, Chancer. Where did you go? Chance, say hello, Chance. So this is Chance. I call him Mickey Mouse because whenever he looks out the window, he looks like Mickey Mouse. And then Mr. Mittens, I call him Mr. Fatty because he weighs 12 pounds, I think. And this boy over here weighs 9. So he's a little lighter. So they're such good boys, except for when this man over there pees in the house. This one rings the bell too much. And so there they go eating. So yeah, I just want to show you guys my puppies. Actually, those are my puppies. And then downstairs is my brother's dog. His name's Red, even though he looks nothing like Red. Red! Say hello. By the way, I'm sorry guys if you couldn't see because the stairs are dark. Say hello. Say hello. He's so cute. He does nothing bad, actually. I couldn't really name, the only thing I can name is when he jumps on the couch, and that's it. He is very tired. Big boy. So, yeah. My dad's friends got him for adoption, and my brother wanted a dog, so they gave it to him. So cute. Red, come here, look. Look at the camera. He's like, get the camera out of my face. So cute. Oh, he's so tired. Look, he's sleeping. It's like, are you done yet? So he's so cute. So yeah, guys, that's the end of the vlog. Well, not really the vlog, just something I wanted to let you guys know about myself a little, not a lot. Show you guys a house tour tomorrow, if I can. Depends on what's gonna happen tomorrow. So see you guys when I see you guys next time.